Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to set up a softbox. First, lay out all your components, ensuring you have the softbox fabric, the speed ring, and all the support rods. Next, securely attach the speed ring to your light stand adapter. This forms the base of your softbox. Then, carefully insert the flexible rods into the corresponding holes on the speed ring, creating the initial frame structure. This step is crucial for stability. Now, take your softbox fabric and orient it so the open end faces the speed ring. Carefully stretch the fabric over the ends of the rods, working one corner at a time. This might require a little gentle force to ensure a snug fit. Make sure each of the 4 rods is firmly seated into its designated pocket within the fabric. This creates the basic shape of your softbox. With the main shape formed, it's time for the diffusers. First, attach the inner diffuser to the Velcro strips inside the softbox. This helps create a softer, more even light. Next, secure the outer diffuser to the front edge of the softbox. If you're using a fabric grid for more directional light, attach it to the outer diffuser's Velcro. These steps refine your light quality. Finally, mount the fully assembled softbox onto your light stand. Ensure it's securely tightened to prevent any wobbling. Adjust the height and angle of the softbox to achieve your desired lighting effect for your subject. Then, connect your light source, such as a strobe or LED, to the speed ring's central mount. You are now ready to create beautiful, soft light.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.